Click on the link below to get price. The Leica CL Vario Kit is an impressive entry into the realm of compact mirrorless cameras, combining portability with the renowned optical quality that Leica is known for. The kit comes complete with the CL camera body and a versatile 18 to 56mm lens, covering a range that is perfect for street photography, landscapes, and candid portraits. One of the standout features of the Leica CL is its stunning image quality. The 24-megapixel APS-C sensor captures vibrant colors and remarkable detail, allowing photographers to produce images that rival those taken with much larger systems. The dynamic range is impressive, making it adept at handling challenging lighting conditions. Even in low light, the CL performs admirably, with minimal noise and great clarity at higher ISO settings. The design of the CL is quintessentially Leica, characterized by its sleek lines and robust build quality. The camera feels solid in hand, and the ergonomic grip makes it comfortable to use over extended periods. The electronic viewfinder is sharp and responsive, providing an accurate representation of the scene, while the rear touchscreen is intuitive, making navigation through menus and settings a breeze. The 18 to 56mm lens included in the kit is a versatile companion, offering a focal length that covers most everyday shooting needs. The lens is sharp throughout the zoom range, and the fast aperture allows for beautiful depth of field effects, enhancing the overall aesthetic of photographs. Autofocus is quick and reliable, ensuring that you don't miss those fleeting moments. While the Leica CL Vario Kit is not the most budget-friendly option on the market, it delivers in terms of performance and build quality. For serious enthusiasts or professionals looking for a compact system without compromise, the CL is an excellent choice. Overall, the Leica CL Vario Kit is a stunning blend of modern technology and classic design, making it a worthy investment for anyone passionate about photography.